Hi, my name is Drew, and I'm crazy. Take a look, take a look, take a look, look. Ooh, I love it so much. This is my 2016 Ford Transit 350 XLT. It seats 12, has a ton of cargo room, handles like a dream, and is hands down the best car I've ever driven. As you can see, it is not the gorgeous dark charcoal gray that some can come with, but as you can see, it is also not white. It gets a whopping 12 miles to the gallon, although my wife drives faster than me and gets 15.
That doesn't make sense.
So, my gas door broke, and I don't know where it is. It's gone. It's floating around the West Valley somewhere. This little door is really convenient. It's easy to open, the door of the car holds it closed. I don't have to worry about a stupid, spinny, screwy gas plug. The problem with that, as you can see, is that there is absolutely nothing stopping any passerby from siphoning my gas now that the door has come off. You can see that these clips have completely snapped. They can't hold anything in there anymore. So, I called Ford. Do you have a gas cover door for my 2016 Transit 350? They said there's one in the dealership 12 miles away. So I called this other dealership. They said, yeah, we have two in stock. They're $36. Sweet. Hold one for me. I'll be right there. So, being the ever-considerate husband that I am, I immediately left my 7 children home with my wife in the middle of her workday and drove far away to the land where left turn lights lag behind, hoping that this would be one and done and not a game of that's not the right part.
This is a left-hand one. Oh, you wanted a right-hand one. Sorry, I'll go.
So I walk into parts and the guy brings me this. This is the $36 part, 61405A26B, and it's only half of what I need. As you can see, there's nothing here that will go into the clips on my car, which are broken. So he goes back and he pulls out this. This is assembly 5427936J. Here are the clips, and here is the door. But the cover is not a part of this assembly. And I do need the cover, because without the cover, this just opens. Yeah, apparently this little piece of plastic right here is the only thing that stops the whole assembly from opening and closing when the door is shut, which is just a really convenient, stupid design. Now, I can understand why someone would buy just the cover. Maybe it got broken and the door itself is still fine. Whatever. But if the door falls off, both the door and the cover fall off together. So I can't for the life of me imagine why the cover isn't part of this assembly. Somebody leave a comment below with a logical explanation for me, because I'm lost. So first thing is to pull this panel off, and you just literally pull it off. It feels very weird to just be ripping a piece off the car, but the Transit is covered in these little panel clips that they're just designed. You pull them off and they stay on when you don't pull on them. It's very disconcerting. Same thing with this little piece here, just it's made of a much flimsier plastic and it holds on tighter, so be careful when you're pulling this one off. So this assembly is held on by 3 screws, one here, and one here. And they are Torx 25 screws. So I'm just going to go ahead and pretend like I have a Torx 25 bit, when in reality is a Torx 20 bit, because somebody was messing with my bits and now some are missing. Make sure you keep the screws, because the screws don't come with the assembly. So what do you guys think? I said this was T25, but here's my T20, and it's got play, but it doesn't seem like it's enough play to warrant the next step up. It gripped totally fine when I was unscrewing it. So what do you guys think? Leave a comment below. Alright, so this part is really annoying. You have to get a flathead screwdriver in there, and there's 3 tabs on the inside of them that's holding on to the frame of the body, and this part is metal. It's the first metal we've encountered in this whole thing, so we have to try to wedge a screwdriver in there and push the tabs out. There's one here. Nope. Higher. Lower. No. Now there's one down here. Let me see if I can see it. Might be a little higher. Hey, there we go. See it, see it, see it? Yeah. Okay. But we got to kind of do this all together now. And then the gas entry, what is that even called? Somebody comment below. This thing is kind of wiggled in there, so we got to kind of wiggle it off. There we go. Yeah, these tabs here don't look very big, but they are surprisingly deep and they hold on really well. All right, we gotta kind of... You. Lord. Aha, so the secret is we're gonna go in at an angle like this and just kind of fit on, but you can't go straight on like a linebacker because it's not going to work. You have to kind of squeeze it around in a circle, and there we go. So this guy here has a hole that he's lining up into, and same thing down here. This guy has a hole that he's lining up into. So if we just get those in there, then we go through the process of banging it until those little clips hang in. And there we go. Pretty easy. These 4 clips in these 4 slots. Merry Christmas. So there you have it, my completely replaced gas door. Sure wish it was silver, but according to Ford parts, they only come in this primer black, which is dumb. Anyway, bye-bye, car.
So, at the end of the day, I expected to pay $36 and ended up paying $127 for both parts. And when I asked if I could have a hat, they said no. So the moral of the story is, consider your wife before you go and do something.
I don't understand what's so difficult about this.
Hi, like, write, sub, bell, share, more, love, praise, go, bye. Yeah, that's all of them.
I know a lot about cars, man. I can look at a car's headlights and tell you exactly which way it's coming.
Right as I press record. Hi, almost done. What's up?
Can I have my phone?
I'm using it to light my face.
Okay.
I'm almost done.
Okay. Love you.
Hi,